Remove door panel.
You can find a tutorial for removing the door panel in the description or in the information card.
Disconnect the side view mirror.
First, we disconnect the exterior mirror cable. To release the central plug, press the small lock. There is also a small lock on the antenna cable. Finally, unscrew the ground cable.
Separate the door glass from the regulator.
The window regulator is attached to the inside of the metal panel. So you have to first separate the front door glass from the window regulator. Remove the two rubber covers. Through the holes you can see the screws that attach the side window to the window regulator. Lower the side window to the correct height. So far, until you can easily get to the screws. Loosen both screws, do not unscrew completely, and pull the side window upwards. It may be that the rubber seals are sticking to the side window, and you need to use some force to loosen them. Then pull the door glass all the way up and fix it with adhesive tape.
Remove door handle and latch.
There is already a detailed tutorial for removing the door handles. Link in the description or info card. After removing the handle, remove the screw from the door handle carrier. Then both screws from the door latch.
Unscrew and remove the regulator panel.
Unscrew all screws of the board. A ground cable is also mounted on the top of the door. Unscrew that too, of course. Then carefully remove the metal panel from the door, if possible without damaging the seal. Now just pull out the locking pin of the door latch and remove the metal plate. All internal parts of the door are attached to the metal plate, door latch, door handle guide and window regulator. Now we have access to all of them.